What up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform dumbbell lateral raises. So, firstly, this is considered an isolation exercise, so it isolates the shoulders. It's a pretty popular exercise and it's really good for the shoulders, so let's begin with the exercise. So grab a pair of dumbbells, feet about shoulder width apart, and the starting position is slightly bending your arms. Don't have your arms straight at your side. Have your arms a little bit in front of you and a little bit bent. Just like you see here when I go down on the starting position. You see a little bit in the front and bent a little bit, just a little bit bent. Because this exercise, especially if you're using heavy weight, can be dangerous. You can get injured pretty quickly because a lot of people do this exercise wrong, so they get injured pretty quickly. You got to be careful with this exercise. So like you see here, arms a little bit in the front, bent, and go up. Inhale, squeeze the core. Exhale, go down. Go up until your arms are parallel, so straight. So just like this, at a 90-degree angle. You see? Bam. Stop. Go down. Done. So I'm gonna show another set. This is basically for the shoulders. Like you see, this is the way you should do it. Your arms should be bent. So the biggest mistake people do with this exercise is doing this. Having the arm completely straight. This is wrong and it's bad because you're gonna get injured. Your shoulder blades are suffering a lot when you're doing this. So you gotta have your arms bent just slightly, just like I'm doing here. You see? My arms aren't straight and they shouldn't be straight in this exercise, so safety first correct perfect form, and then you can start to think about how much weight you want to use, because if you're gonna get injured, then you're gonna fuck your progress up for a while, not just a few days but some weeks and months. So here's another set from a different perspective so you see it a lot better. Now this exercise, I recommend if you're first time doing this exercise, use a light weight. Use really light weights, not more than 10 pounds per hand, especially if it's the first time you're doing this exercise, because it's going to be pretty taxing on your shoulder blades. Plus, you should nail in the perfect form and then start to add weight. That's my recommendation. So once again, feet shoulder width apart, get into position. Arms in front of you, bent. Inhale, go up. 90-degree angle, go back down, exhale, and repeat. See? A perfect lateral raise. This, like I said, is an isolation exercise, so it doesn't work multiple muscle groups. It works mostly the shoulders. It isolates the shoulder blades. This is a pretty good exercise in addition to your normal, compound routine. See? Again from the front, pretty good exercise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe.